There you go. You got something cut with, pretty cool, and it goes through there quick. Well, hello again, all you blue-collar DIYers. Today the subject is how to cut fiber cement board, Hardie plank, Hardie board, Hardie panel with a jigsaw. My latest project I just wrapped up involved removing some old stucco 4x8 siding panels. Not real stucco, it was a fake masonite type stucco, but what you don't want to find. Poor design, poor materials. There was nothing available in my local area with a stucco pattern other than fiber cement Hardie panel, and it didn't match, but it was the closest thing. So we had arches on those, and so the only thing I was going to have to use a jigsaw to cut the arch. So I started looking for jigsaw blades that would cut fiber cement, and what I came up with was a Bosch T141hm. Well, I'll take that back. I believe the first one I tried was a carbide-tipped blade from Bosch, the T130. It's a finer tooth blade, and it cut pretty good, except it broke about when we were about 80% done. So I'd go back and find another one, and this is when I found the T141. If you can see it, let's see. Oh yeah, you see it? It's got some serious teeth on it, and those are carbide teeth. And this thing ate through the Hardie fiber cement board. This was not playing around. If you got circles or odd shapes to cut that you'll not be able to cut with a circular saw, I suggest you get one of these, and you can save money by buying a 3-pack off Amazon, and I'll leave the link below. Check out the price there. Good prices, much better than you'll find at Lowe's or Home Depot. So order early. Do want extra ones in case you break one. We broke that cement board. We broke the first blade 80% through. I tried my Sawzall with a metal cutting blade, and it made decent cuts, but it dulled pretty quick. So get you something with carbide. There you go. You got something cut with, pretty cool, and it goes through there quick. I don't know what else you want. This thing is a time saver, especially when you compare it with pair it up with a Bosch jigsaw. I love my Bosch 18-volt jigsaw. But if you got decorative or anything to cut with curves, that Bosch 141hm jigsaw blade is the go-to. That is a cat's meow, and it eats this stuff up, and it holds its blade. So anyway, just a quick note for you people out there wondering what to use, what kind of blade to use to cut fiber cement. Get you a Bosch. Like I said, the 141. Link below in Amazon. Appreciate it, and we'll catch y'all on down the road. I just want to make this quick video, let you know latest successful project we had. We replaced quite a bit of siding with this, and it worked out well. Donald, Blue Collar DIY, I'm out.